Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. In this chapter, we will focus on media resource. Media resource provide 5 different types of services in CUCM. First is a media termination point, or MTP. MTP can be is a software or hardware resource that can provide interoperability issue between the devices, especially when an H.223 version 1 trying to communicate with an H.223 version 2, where you may have some interoperability issue. In this scenario, both devices will terminate their RTP channel or media channel directly into the media termination point server, which happens to be the call manager or a Cisco router using a skinny protocol. In either cases, all the RTP traffic and signaling traffic will go through that media termination point device. Music on hold, on the other hand, provide music service. When a IP phone is put on hold, the phone that's been put on hold will receive an RTP stream from the music on hold server. Conference bridge provides conference solutions, and transcoder is used to convert the codec from one G729 to 11 or vice versa. Media resource source can be either from software or from a hardware, but not all services supports either one. Music on hold, for example, can be provided from software only. Now, some cases hardware, yes, if you use an SRST. Voice termination, which is you're terminating your voice call, is only supported on a hardware but not software because of the DSP and your T1 and E1 controller. Annunciator is only supported in a software. Media termination point, or MTP, can be supported on source from both software resource or hardware resource. Transcoding can only be sourced from hardware resource such as Cisco ISR routers with appropriate DSP chips. And audio conferencing can be sourced from both software resource and a hardware resource. Media resource signaling and RTP stream. All media resource such as MOH, conference bridge, media termination will register with CUCM first of all. Signaling between the hardware media resource and CUCM use skinny protocol, SCCP, and it must be configured with the DSP profile and so and so. Audio streams are always terminated by the media resource, so it is never between the two IP phone or IP phone and the gateway. It is always between the IP phone or endpoint with the media resource servers. So there are no direct IP phone to IP phone audio stream if the media resource are involved. Audio stream will be between the IP phone and the media resource server. In the case of voice termination signaling, when a PSTN call arrives from PSTN into the router, which is basically known as the TDM traffic, will terminate with one of the DSP chips. Now, PSTN calls will be terminated by the hardware, where the coding and decoding and packetization will take place.